Hi everyone, let's create a map. First of all, let's open ArcGIS Pro. And then click on map to create a project. So reduce and then I will save it to the folder +1. Okay. First I will change base map. So click on map and then click on base map and check it gray base map. Now I will add data. To add data I have to add folder connection, so I will go to insert and then add folder. I already have folder connected, so if you do not have any folder connected, then you will just select any folder from your directory, and let's say ArcGIS training +1 data. Okay, then I will add data. To add data I will go to map and then add data. Click on add data, then data, and I have two files here. One is Excel and another one is permitted industries shapefile. So I will add permitted industry shapefile. Now I want to add city limits. To add city limits I need to add a base map. So right now I do not have any base map. So to add a base map I will go to insert, click on connection, add data, add database, and then I will have data. I have database here, so I will add SD test. So database added, so I will click on database from catalog and then SD. I will expand it. I think I have city limits here, so right click on city limits and add to current project or current map. I will make it hollow, so double click on it and then only black outlines. Now I want to change the symbology here. So I want to show the permitted industry categories. So right click on permitted industries and then open attribute table. So in the attribute table I can see, if I click on if I see user category, so it has different types of industries, and I have other information about the industries as well, like its address. And so to change the symbology, because now it is only the points, it is not giving me any kind of information, so I will just right click on it and then click on symbology. So here I will, the primary symbology is single symbol, so instead of single symbol I will use unit values. I have to change field 1, so I will change to user category. So user category will be shown on this content, but it has all other values. I do not want all other values in the symbology, so I will click on more and then uncheck all other values. And then I want to change the symbology from here. I want to instead of color code I want to use some graphical symbol. So I will just double click and then it will show me the gallery, so from where I can choose if I want to change anything. So I will search on industry and then industrial complex, so it changes here. Again, industries, so all of them are same color, so I will just change the color. So categorical, I will keep it like this color, and then non-significant maybe yellow, and significant I will keep it red. And if I want this to make it bigger a little bit, then I will just go to properties. Instead of 18.5, I will choose 20. If I go, okay, so I click yes, so it changes all of them. So instead of 18.5, it's now 20. So this one 20, 5, this one 10, 5, this one's already 20. Okay, so I finished doing symbology. Now I will create a map. So I will go to insert and create map layouts, and I will choose legal. Then I will go to map frame and then choose map. I will right click on it and then click on activate, and I will make it a little bit bigger as much as I want. I will probably move it here, and then I can change it here. The map scale, from map scale, it's 440. Instead of 442, I will 370. So it's now looks better. And then I will click on layout and then close. And this, now I will edit titles. So I will click on rectangle text, and then permitted industries in I will double right click on it and then go to properties, and I will click on text symbol, from where I can change size. So I will keep it maybe 18, and then bold, apply. Okay. And then I will add legend. To make any changes in legend, we have to ungroup it. So it is now, if I select one, it's selecting everything, so it's a group. So I will just right click on it and convert to graphics, and then it is still in a group. Then I will right click again and then ungroup. I will click again and group. Now I can select individual components, so I do not need user category. I will delete this one. And permitted industries, I do not need this underscore, so I will remove it. I will make it bigger. If I want to change it, I can do it. Like if I go to text symbol, and then I can change the size, but right now I do not need to. and then SD test environment, so it's city limit, so I will just keep city limit, ungroup, and then I can now delete this, so it is now only city limit. I will just make it. I will now select everything and then click and make a group again, so it is now one group. Now I need to add a north arrow, so I will click here and then I will add this one. This is the north arrow, let's make it a little bit smaller. Now I need a scale, so I will go to bar scale and then right first click on the first one or whatever you want. 16, I will keep the whole number. If I want to change map, then I can probably map unit instead of mile, I can use kilometer. It's up to you. Okay, so I think these are the basic component of a map. We can make complex map. These are only 1-2 layers in this map, so it's not very complex, but sometimes you probably need more to show more data, so you will have to make really complex map. Now if we want to share data, then we can export this map, so click on share and then export layout, and then you will choose where you want to share. I will choose class 1 and practice layout, save, and then quality should be maximum. Everything you can keep everything as it is, and then click on export. Map exported. So this is a map. So thank you everyone. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach me. I will be very happy to help.